In this tutorial, I will show you exactly how to build this bullet hell arcade game, step by step. Let's start with a subscribe. First step, go to my website, link description box. If you're still not registered, register now. Click below button to register. If you're going to register, please watch this full video after you're registering. Scroll down. Then you can see a card called HTML Projects. Click the button below. Now you have two options. First option, download and play. Second option, create it step by step by copy code and pasting the code. Let's start with option 1. Type top down in the search bar. Then you will see a result called top-down space shooter/bullet hell arcade. Click the Download Project button to download. After it downloaded, you can play it like this. Let's go to option 2. Go to your desktop and click the right side of the mouse in Desktop. Create a text document and rename it as Top-Down Space Shooter, or any name you like. Then press Enter in the keyboard. Then open it. After this, go to the website again. Type top-down in the search bar. Then you will see a result called Top-Down Space Shooter/bullet hell arcade. Click the Copy Code button to copy the code. Then go back to your text file window. Click right side of the mouse on the text file window. Select Paste and click it. Click the button at the top called File and click on the Save in File column. Then close the window with the website window. Click right side of the mouse on the text file. Then click Rename button. Then rename the .txt to .html. Then click that file to open. Now you can play the game like this. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more awesome game dev projects.